Hello there. So for this video, let's talk about how to use Tailscale to play Minecraft. Now this is going to be a very quick tutorial, and as you can see right there, this is going to be Minecraft. However, if you want to play a VPN here, the best pair would be Tailscale. Would be this one right here. Now first step would be installing Tailscale. You can either go to this website, tailscale.com, and click on download. If I click on download, there would be different OS for this one. If you want to use Windows, iOS, macOS, Linux, or even download it as an Android. It has to be Windows 10 or later for Windows PC. Of course, step 2 would be login to connect, making sure you logged in inside it, and then connect it to your Microsoft, Google, or GitHub. Now for step 3, that would be get the host Tailscale. Should be looking like this, and the host right there, open Tailscale and copy the Tailscale IP address. Once you copy that one, run the Minecraft server, which should be this one right here. You just have to sign in. Now once you're running this one and signed in, connect from other devices. Open Minecraft, go for multiplayer, and add a server. Use the host Tailscale's IP as the server's address, and basically join and start playing. That's how easy it is.